Meet Kevin has always been a Tesla bull. The stock investor had said earlier this year that Tesla's stock price will hit $3,000 per share in 2024. He believes that although everything feels overvalued in the stock market, Tesla's still got a tendency to perform beyond expectations. Hey everyone, welcome back to Everything Tesla Stock. It has been a pretty bumpy ride for many electric car companies this year, and Tesla is not left out. However, there are still a number of stock investors who are bullish on Tesla, and in the same way, there are some who believe that selling their shares now might just save them from any unexpected future stock crash. When investors sell their shares, sometimes it's because they have grown bearish on the stock, and at other times it may not be. In a recent tweet, Tesla investor Meet Kevin announced that he will be selling his Tesla shares due to certain reasons. Why has Kevin made this decision? Could the stock investor have grown bearish on Tesla? Well, we're just about to find out. Before we start, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay up to date on everything going on with Tesla. American financial analyst and YouTuber Meet Kevin recently disclosed on Twitter that he's going to be selling the majority of his Tesla shares within the next 6 months. According to Kevin, this decision is not a result of him being in any way bullish on Tesla. Rather, he's doing so due to personal reasons. Kevin has been a long-time bull of Tesla, so it's rather surprising that he would want to sell his Tesla shares. This is the same for many Tesla enthusiasts who know Kevin as a big Tesla fan, and so the news has left many people wondering what exactly could have made the stock analyst willing to give up his shares. Could Meet Kevin be foreshadowing a dangerous future for Tesla? You better stick around then to find out the details. Sharing the news via his Twitter handle, Kevin revealed that he's starting his own firm, househack.com, and he's putting the money he makes from selling his Tesla shares into the business. As it is well known, Meet Kevin has always been a fan of the stock market and a seasoned stock investor who has shown great interest in the world of investing. So it's only expected that he'd want to go further into his passion. However, what is not expected was that he would sell his Tesla shares for this. While this may seem unexpected and even slightly bearish, Kevin cleared the air on whether he is still bullish on Tesla. According to the investor, his decision is not because he doubts Elon Musk, adding that he will always remain a supporter and a bull of Tesla stock. Earlier this year, Kevin said that he is more than 50% in on Tesla in terms of his stock portfolio. This shows that the analyst has many great expectations for Tesla, despite his plans to sell his shares. Meet Kevin has always been a big fan of Tesla, and it is obvious that he still is. Before the car company's recent 3-for-1 stock split, Kevin revealed very high price predictions for Tesla stock, adding that the split can be of a great benefit to the company as well as to investors, since during stock splits, and the aftermath of them, it's common for companies to outperform the S&P 500. He stated that he's bullish on the stock and sees the split as an opportunity to increase the amount of his Tesla shares. Even though that's not presently the case, many people believe it could probably be a matter that cannot be helped. According to Kevin, Tesla's future earnings are much more attainable than most tech stock predictions and sky-high valuations. In 2020, the stock investor predicted Tesla's stock price to reach $3,000 per share. Post-stock split, value it at 2024. This is a very high price prediction, and if it turns out to be, then it would have raked in enormous funds for Kevin if he held on. Similarly, Kevin revealed after attending Tesla's Cyber Rodeo this year why he thinks Tesla is going to break that $10 trillion of the market cap within the next 10 years. According to him, Tesla is a robotic manufacturer that makes it the #1 robotic player in stock. This is worth believing since Tesla has shown great expertise in terms of developing incredible innovations using AI. The long-expected Tesla bot may be released later this year, as Elon Musk recently disclosed on Twitter that the company may have the prototype of its humanoid robot ready by the 30th of September. Musk disclosed this on Twitter after he announced that Tesla's AI Day had been postponed to the same day in September, after it had been previously set to hold on August 19th this year. In January, Musk said that Tesla is prioritizing product development of the Optimus humanoid robot in 2022 over other products. He stated that the company aims to start production of the robot in 2023. Aside from the Tesla bot, there are several other cool updates to expect from Tesla in the coming months, like the robotaxi, semi-truck, Tesla's supercomputer named Dojo, and many other cooler updates on full self-driving. These are all projects that Meet Kevin and pretty much any Tesla bull is highly optimistic about. What are your thoughts on these projects? Can they give any significant effect on Tesla's stock price? Let us know down below in the comments. Kevin also expects the new game changer for Tesla is going to be announcing the 5 to 10 new gigafactories that are going to open up in the next 2 years. He stated that Tesla can incorporate a copy-paste mechanism to reproduce more factories globally. This is likely to happen since Musk himself has announced that Tesla is working towards producing 20 million electric vehicles by 2030. And in this light, Tesla could build 10 to 12 new gigafactories to reach its goal. This is clearly beyond what Kevin had predicted, and so Tesla could be expecting even much more than the analysis had said. Some people also believe that with current efforts to ramp up production in Tesla's gigafactories, the car company may reach 500,000 car deliveries by the end of the last quarter of this year. According to a recent tweet by Troy TSLA, Tesla's China team is expected to deliver more than 100,000 cars in September, which will be a new record high after the facility made 78,000 deliveries in June. If Tesla's China factory maintains this value for each month in the fourth quarter, which will be highly unlikely as deliveries may increase if there are no lockdowns, this facility can deliver up to 300,000 electric cars in the fourth quarter. With this, Tesla has only 200,000 more deliveries to make, which can be covered by its 3 other factories. Supposing Tesla's Fremont factory delivers 140,000 cars, and both the Berlin and Texas factories deliver 30,000 cars each. Tesla recently kicked off the 2022 Model Y's customer deliveries from its Gigafactory in Texas, and its Shanghai factory has produced more than 1 million electric cars so far. If Tesla has been able to reach this predicted number of deliveries, it will be trailing behind top-rated car companies like BMW and Mercedes. And considering that deliveries are likely to increase in the last quarter, Tesla may eventually reach this milestone. So it's fair to say that as much as Kevin wants to sell his Tesla shares, he's still bullish on the stock. Also, he's not the first Tesla bull to sell his shares and still remain bullish on the stock. Tesla investors like Chamath Palihapitiya and Cathie Wood have also sold their shares at some point in the past months. Even Elon Musk sold some of Tesla's shares in August, despite being the CEO of the car company. The Tesla executive sold 7.92 million shares of the company worth around $6.88 billion. He revealed that that was done to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla stock, just in case Twitter forces their deal to close and some equity partners don't come through. Although to an average investor, Kevin's decision to sell his Tesla shares may seem rather bearish, however, seeing that the sale is as a result of personal funding, we can believe otherwise. Also, Meet Kevin has also got a lot of good things to say about Tesla in the past, so it's very unlikely that he's lost confidence in the stock. Just like every other Tesla bull who's sold their shares at one time or another, this could also be one sale that must be made. Therefore, investors may want to think twice before selling their shares. And just as Kevin himself had predicted, the stock may go even higher in the future, based on Tesla's future potential. What do you think about Meet Kevin selling his Tesla shares? Could he still be bullish on Tesla as he said? Let us know down below, and don't forget to like and comment what your valuation of Tesla stock is. If you'd like to know more about what Tesla's been up to in the past few days, click on this video on your screen. We'll see you there.